Welcome St. Edwin's students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is what is government. In this chapter we will discuss about some topics like what is government, labels of government, laws and the governments, types of government and democratic government. Now students, we as we know that India is the biggest democratic country and governments affect our daily life. The governments, now we will discuss the government refers to body that makes decisions and gets things done for the welfare of its citizens. It works as a betterment of the citizens. And we know that every citizen has some fundamental rights according to our constitutions. The government provides legal supports to its citizens against any discriminations and injustice. It maintains peace and order in the society. It tries to control the crime. It assists the people to lead better life during the natural calamities, and the government provides all emergencies assistance to the affected people and area. So in this chapter we will also discuss about the principles of our constitutions. So the first topic that we will focusing on under the constitutions, that is the equal right. Now there is the difference between the theory and the practical, so we will try to focus on B.R. Ambedkar's had said self-respect is the most vital factor in life. Without it, man is cyper. Nothing is more disgraceful for a brave man than to live life devoid of self-respect. So the whole idea of this session would be focuses on the concept of the fundamental rights and the government, how government works for us and how government works for the betterment of their citizens. So the label of the government, as we know that the responsibilities of the government hold so much many different things. Can we think how it manages the have two labels, two or three labels, at the label local label, at the label of the state and at the national level. These are the labels of the government by which the government handle the work. The government needs to maintain peace and order in the society. Now we will see the laws of and the government. Order in the society. Laws establish justice. It is meant to achieve constitutional ideas, equality, and right against discriminations. Law makes it compulsory for the people to follow and obey it. Democracy is a rule by the people. In democracy, people have the power to elect their leaders. These leaders and representatives meet the make decisions for the entire population. So these are the central discriminations that definitely work much more on the reality and the ground of the government. So they said the equality and democracy are the dynamic concept. Now there are three pillars of the democratic government. It involves people participations, the conflict resolutions and the equality. And what would be focusing on equality, which one of the factor of democratic government. I hope students you understand the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.